Okay, Rameshwar.
Yes, sir.
So today we will start new chapter.
Yes, sir.
That is arithmetic progression. Okay. So this is chapter 5. Arithmetic progression.
Yes, sir.
And this is class 10 series. Math. Now here there is a word which is called progression. Okay. Progression means what? See, when we go to some LKG, okay, first when we are a child, we go to LKG, then we go further, we are moving up to UKG, then you are going to class 1, class 2, class 3. Like this, when you are moving up, this is called actually progression. Okay, it means we are getting progress from one level to another. Okay, so this is called progression. So same way, when there will be a progression in any way, in any number, when there is, it is some increase taking place, some increase in that number is taking place. Okay, and that too in a systematic manner. That too in a systematic manner, not random. Random increase or decrease will not come under arithmetic progression. Progression means if continuous increase is also taking place or continuous decrease is also taking place, both way it is possible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so in this progression, increase and decrease, both are possible. Right? Both are possible, but it should be in a systematic manner. It should be
Systematic.
in a systematic manner. Now you would be asking question that what actually systematic manner means.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so systematic manner means if there is an increase in taking place in any number. Okay, suppose by 4. So what you are finding? If I am writing 1, then 3, I am writing 7, then I am writing 9, then 13, then 16, 15, 17. In this what we have seen? You are watching an increase in number.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so between 1 and 3, what is the increase has taken place? 2. Now between 3 and 7, what is the increase has taken place? 4. Again here 2, again here 4, again here 3, here 1. So what you are finding here that increase is taking place in the number, that is correct. Okay, it is satisfying the criteria of increase, but it is not satisfying the criteria of increase systematic manner. Why? Because even increase is not there. Okay. Another one I will say you, like suppose if you are having 2, then 4, then 6, then 8, 10, 12, 14, 16.
Yes, sir.
Now in this what you are finding, an increase is taking place between these two is 2, again 2, again 2, again 2, again 2, again 2, so again 2.
Yes, sir.
Now if this type of, in this manner, any increase or decrease, it may be negative, it may be positive. In this manner, keeping a constant difference, constant difference in all numbers, then this type of series, it is forming a series.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it will be called as arithmetic progression. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So in this what you are finding that a constant difference is always maintained. Correct? Like suppose another example you take. So I am taking as 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Okay. 2, then 8, then 14, then 20, then 26, 34. Can you say that whether these are arithmetic progression or not?
Yes, sir.
So in first one, what you found that again two difference is there. Again between 3 and 5, two difference. Here in each and every number there is a difference of 2.
Yes, sir.
So it means you can say that this is also arithmetic progression. What about this one? Tell me what's the difference we have maintained here?
6, sir. 6.
So is it a arithmetic progression or it is wrong?
It's wrong, sir. It's wrong, sir. Between our 2 and sir.
So between these two, what is the difference?
6, sir.
6. Between these two, what is the difference?
6, sir.
Okay. Between these two, what is the difference?
6, sir.
Okay. Between these two, what is the difference? Between these two?
8.
Oh, so it should become 32 here.
Yes.
If it is 34, then it will not be there. Okay. If it is 32, then it will form arithmetic progression. Otherwise, here it will not form arithmetic progression.
Yes, sir.
Understood now?
Yes, sir.
So, what is arithmetic progression? You are able to understand now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So, in an arithmetic progression, what we have seen, you need one first term. Suppose if you are given that okay, the first term of an arithmetic progression is 2 and a constant difference d is to be maintained as 3, you form a series. Like this question is given to you. So we will be able to form the series because we are knowing that we have to maintain a constant difference of 3. Okay, so we know, so we will add 3 here, it will become 5, then again it will become 8, then 11, 14, 17. So we can form the series if we are having first term and common difference.
Yes, sir.
If there is a common difference given, first term given, we will be able to find out the series.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Right. So now, if this type of things are there where there is no end, then it will be called as indefinite series of arithmetic progression. Indefinite. Okay, there is no definite value. But if you will be asked, you will be asked that no, you find only up to 4 terms. Right? So these are called terms. This is first term, this is second term, this is third term, this is fourth term. Like this it will be going on. Okay, if you will be asked in question that find out only up to 4 terms, then it will be a definite series. It will be a definite series because you will be stopping here.
Yes, sir.
You will stop.
Yes, sir.
After finding 4 terms, you will stop.
Yes, sir.
So this is called definite series. If there is no end, then it will be called as indefinite series. Okay, so let us define arithmetic progression. Okay? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Right. So let us define arithmetic progression. So you can say that an arithmetic progression which is also called as AP. Okay. AP is a group or series of terms. It is a series of terms. Okay. An arithmetic progression is a group or series of terms. Okay. In which a constant difference is maintained.
Yes, sir.
Correct. In which a constant difference is always maintained. In all terms except first term. Except first term is always maintained in all successive terms, one after another. All successive terms except first term. Okay? Except first term. Okay. Now, this is the definition of AP. Generally, A is denoted as Now D is denoted as common difference.
Yes, sir.
Common difference. So what you are finding, suppose you are asked, you are given first term, you are asked to form a series
Yes, sir.
of AP and where common difference D is there. So you are knowing that first term will be written as it is A.
Yes, sir.
Then from that onwards you will add.
Yes,
Common
sir.
difference will be getting added. So it will become A plus D. Second one. Third one.
A plus 2D.
A plus 2D. Very good. Then A plus
3D.
3D. A plus
4D.
4D. Correct?
Yes, sir.
If suppose you are going up to n term, then it will become A plus ND. Correct?
Yes.
Up to n term, it is A plus ND. Further, n plus 1, suppose if it is there, then you can write A plus n plus 1 D. Like this it will be there, it will be going on.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So, if we are having first term, if we are having common difference, you will be able to find out the series of AP. We can create the AP.
Yes, sir.
Right? Always the difference will be between two successive terms. Difference between two successive terms will be only D. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
D. D. Like this it will be there.
Yes, sir.
Okay? So now you have understood
Yes, sir.
what is AP?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good. So note it down.
Yes, sir.
So this is the first term, then this is second term, and this will be called as n plus 1th term.
Yes, sir.
Okay, n plus 1th term. Why n plus 1? Because from here it is becoming n. Okay? Right. So should we start solving exercise?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so exercise 5.1 we will solve. Whether you have written definition?
Oh, once again, sir. Sir, first term, no, sir. Except the first term.
Except first term. Okay. Except first term.
What is one, sir? Except first term, he.
Generally, A is denoted as first term, D is denoted as common difference. Okay, so you have written the definition. Right. Based on this, we will be solving some questions. Okay. Now, we'll solve some question here. Okay? So see, what we have found here. Now this one, what we have written A plus
FD.
and D, A plus n plus 1D. So now you see, this is the first term.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is second term.
Yes, sir.
But second term means what it is written?
One.
So it is 1 minute. So this is first term, correct or not?
Yes, sir.
First term. This is second term. So second term, what it is? We can write as A plus 2 minus 1 D. Can we write like this?
Yes, sir.
Why? Because here only 1D is there. So we are writing second term as A plus 2 minus 1D.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Third term, what we are writing? A plus 3 minus 1 D. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Third term. So fourth term is this one. A plus 4 minus 1D it will
Yes,
be
sir.
there.
Yes, sir.
It means what it is there, if we want to find nth term like this, suppose this is there, so A plus 4 minus 1D. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So similarly, our nth term is becoming what? Our nth term. So nth term will be here. Here nth term we will get.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So our nth term will become A plus. Okay, here n minus 1 D. Our nth term will be A n minus 1 D. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So this A first term you can write as A plus 1 minus 1 D. So it will become 0.
Yes, sir.
Then A only it is there. Then second term A plus 2 minus 1D. Third term A plus 3 minus 1D. So we can say that nth term in AP, which is equal to Tn, we can write, can be written as A plus n minus 1 D. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
So if we will be given A plus n minus 1D, we can find anything.
Yes, sir.
We will be able to find what? We will be able to find any term. Like suppose this formula you are remembering. This is the formula which you have to remember. Now suppose you want to find any term. Tell me which term you want to find.
N.
Which term? 100 term, 1000 term, 2000 term, which one?
50.
50th term. You want to find 50th term. Then it means you want to write as P50.
Yes, sir.
Then it will become what? A plus 50 minus 1
D.
D. So it is giving you A plus
40.
49D.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So A plus 49D will be your 50th term. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So in this way, if you are having a general formula, you can find any term. You can find any term. Okay, Tn if you are having, so that is A plus n minus 1D.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Oh, good. So now we will solve based on this formula some questions. Right? So you just note it down, this general formula. And we will go to exercise 5.1. We will solve exercise 5.1. Okay. So this is already given in CBSE book. The same exercise we will find, we will solve. Like in question number 1, it is given to us that in which of the following situations does the list of numbers involved make an arithmetic progression. So what it is given to us the taxi fare after each kilometer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
When the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what it is there? So we need to say that whether it is forming an AP or not.
Not.
Okay. So question number 1. So what it is saying that for first kilometer, for 1 kilometer, rupees 15 is the fare for that taxi.
Yes, sir.
And after that, means this will become the first term.
Yes, sir.
Your first term is 15. Second term, after each kilometer, rupees 8 is getting added. So common difference, D, what it is given? 8. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So now it will be plus add 15 plus 8,
Yes, sir.
so 23. Then third kilometer 23 plus 8, that is 31. Then further 8, 39. Then further 8, 47. So like this it will be going on.
Yes, sir.
So whether this is forming an AP or not,
Yes, sir.
it is forming an AP.
Yes, sir.
Oh, good. So you have understood now?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. Just note it down. Remaining questions you need to solve like this. Okay. Now we will go for question number 2. We will go for question number 2. So So same way you have to create arithmetic series and then you have to say that whether that is forming a series or not, arithmetic series. Okay. Question number 2. Question number 2 is saying that write first 4 terms of the AP. Right? First 4 terms of the AP. So we are asked to find first 4 terms of the AP. Okay. So question number 1, it is given to us as A is equal to 10.
D is equal to 10.
D is equal to 10. Okay. Tell me which is the first term?
10.
10 will be the first term. Very good. Second term?
20.
Very good. Then third term?
30.
Very good. Then fourth term?
40.
40. So we need to find only 4 terms.
Yes, sir.
So 4 terms we have found. Correct? So we can find it in a very nice manner by putting A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. If you want, you can put this formula also. You can put this formula.
You can put the formula.
Yes, we can put the formula. See, first term. So T1. So T1 is what? A. A is what? 10 plus. Now n minus 1D. We are asked 4 term only.
Yes, sir.
So n is 4 only. Okay. So 4 minus 1. D. D is what? 10 only. Then it is giving you what? 10. Okay. We found n minus 1D. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. So T1 is equal to 10 plus 4 minus 1D. So it is becoming 10 plus 3 into 10. Okay. 40. Sorry.
30.
Not like this. Sorry. T1 is there, na?
Yes, sir.
T1 means A is 10 plus n minus 1.
Yes, sir.
So 1 minus 1 into 10. 1 minus 1. Okay. So this is giving you what? 10 plus 0 is equal to 10. Then you are finding T2. So 10 plus 2 minus 1 into 10. Yes or no? So 10 plus 2 minus 1? 1. 1 into 10?
10.
Is equal to 20. Then T3 is equal to 10 plus 3 minus 1D? 10. So 3 minus 1? 2 into 10. So this is becoming what?
20.
10
plus 20.
10 plus 20 equal to 30.
Yes, sir.
Then T4, 10 plus 4 minus 1, 10. So 10 plus 3 into 10. So it is 40. So you have got it? 10. First term is 10.
Yes, sir.
Second term is 20.
Yes, sir.
And third term is 30. Fourth term is 40. So you can put the formula also. Or you can write A plus D, A plus 2D. That also you can write.
That is easy.
Okay? But this formula is very easy when you need to find any higher terms. Okay? When you are asked to find 50th term. 50th term. Okay, can you tell me, Rameshwar,
Yes, sir.
in this same question, can you tell me what will be 100th term? Can you use this formula to find 100th term?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just find out and tell me. What will be the 100th term? Formula is in front of you only.
Yes, sir.
Use that formula and tell me what will be the 100th term. When A is equal to 10, B is equal to 10, then T 100. Okay, so is equal to what we have found?
100 term, no, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
100th term. What we have found? Yes, what we have found?
1000, sir.
1000. Very good. Okay. Right. Now one more question in this we will be solving, where it is given to us as A is equal to minus 1.25.
Yes,
Correct
sir.
or not?
Yes, sir.
And D is given to us
Minus 0.25.
minus 0.25. Very nice. Okay, so let us find out. So you know that first term A is equal to minus 1.25.
Yes, sir.
Why? Because here we need to find less number of terms. Okay, only 4 terms we need to find. So what we will be doing, that first term is this one. Second term will become what? A plus D. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So minus 1.25 and plus
0.
minus 0.25. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So your second term is becoming what? Minus 1.25 minus 0.25. So minus 1.5.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Our third term A plus 2D. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So minus 1.25 plus 2 into minus 0.25. It will be giving you what? Minus 1.25, and when you are multiplying it, it will become minus 0.5. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So minus 1.75. Right?
Yes, sir.
Then our fourth term, A plus 3D.
Yes, sir.
Fourth term, A plus 3D. Okay, so minus 1.25 plus 3 into
Yes, sir.
minus
0.2.
0.25. So giving you what? Minus 1.25
Plus.
minus 0.75. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then it is giving you minus 2.
Oh, yes, sir.
Minus 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what are the terms? You have got minus 1.25 first term. Second term is 0. Minus 0.25. Sorry. Minus 1.5. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You have got minus 1.5. Then third term minus 1.75. And fourth term minus 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in this way you have to find out all the number of terms. Now we will be solving question number 3.
Yes, sir.
We will solve question number 3 now. Okay. So then we have noted down. Over.
Yes, sir.
Right? Now, question number 3, what it is saying? Question number 3 is saying that for the following APs, write the first term and the common difference. We need to find
First term.
and common difference. So first term already it is given, like suppose question number 1, it is there. So what is the terms? 3, then 1, then
Minus 1.
minus 1,
Minus 3.
minus 3, and dot. Indefinite series it is.
Yes, sir.
So first term, if we have to find, so first term will be equal to what? 3 only.
Yes, sir.
First term is 3 only, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then common difference D. So what we need to do? Common difference, how we are finding? Second term minus first term will
Yes,
give.
sir.
So T2 minus T1 will give you common difference.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So T2 is what? 1
Minus 3.
minus 3. So it is giving you minus 2. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So the common difference is
Minus 2.
minus 2 here. Right. Okay. Next one.
Third question.
Okay. Third question we will go on. So third question is what?
1 by 3.
1 by 3